3 rules that every real estate investor should know.
The first one is the 1% rule. It means that in order for your property to cash flow, your property should at least rent for 1% of the property purchase price. Now, it's not always true, but it is a good rule of thumb. The second rule of thumb you should know is the 50% rule. Now, the 50% rule is really used to estimate how much your operating expenses are going to cost for your property. And it's done by taking your rent, which is the operating income, dividing by 2 to allocate to the operating expenses like property taxes and maintenance and insurance. And again, it's not always accurate because this is just an estimate, but it can help if you're trying to do quick napkin math. Keep in mind though that the 50% rule does not include mortgage payments. So if you're buying a property through financing, you're going to have to consider that. The third rule, which is most commonly used for flippers, is the 70% rule. And the 70% rule is used so that you can figure out what your max offer can be on the property. And the formula goes 70% of the ARV minus rehab costs is your max offer price.
Keep in mind these are just a general rule of thumb.